Arizona.
I thought you were going to say Wisconsin.
I guess the ties in there.
Superior, Wisconsin.
It's dry there, and you go through 2 months of hell of mazes.
Yeah, and I hear there's water, like man-made lakes, $10 Walmart pool. Other than that, this is the time of year to be in Minnesota. Hopefully someday it'll warm up. It was freezing today, though. I froze all fucking day. It looked like it was a lot warmer out than it really was.
Just all of a sudden